Yes, I'm lost. Cut my locks, I'm gonna try. See the lady I cut there?
It's not my fault, it's all his. Let's go.
Alright, super.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah man, so just don't wash me here, you know. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. All about love. See, where me here say, man, a fire shot in this police station. I want part of the country there, you see me?
Yeah.
I say, how that happened?
My pictures are still connected to it. No, you can't get it.
How that happened? You see, my viewers and subscribers.
I miss a Sunday. California.
Yeah, my locks them did a thing out here, man. I don't know if I'm in depression or I'm not drink it. I don't know. I just cut the rest of them here, man. Because them are drop out, you see me? Yeah, man, so I just cut some of them. Reform again, you know? You know, we're not pretty Rasta, you know? You see me, I just live clean. You see me, live clean. Rasta. Locks not different who you are, you see me? Yeah, man, your locks not different who you are. Cause you see, you are going to Jamaica now with the whole of the rest of them. Be animosity and exposure. You see me? Your heart within, you know, the realness comes from within you. And knowing truth and rights, you know? Right from wrong. You see me? Conscience. Using the conscience and your initiative, you see me? Yes, and just be humble and real and wise and...
Normal chimney by with the, you know the one them with the wheel at the bottom,
yeah,
like them there? For the dryer them. Oh yeah, yeah.
You see me? So, big up everybody see me on the platform and I want to love to say, you know? So when they ever go shoot at the police station, I say, oh, the police them allow that, make that happen. Like, they might try to apprehend the man, or I must have got a report or something. Well, I mean, like, the brother look evil though. Right now, they might tell them to come in. I tell you, Jamaica is not a normal place, you know? Every day something pop up. Every day something happen. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you don't know, big up everybody on the platform. And I want to love you say unity, was scrutiny. Zine. Big up everybody, man. I love, man. I want the crime rate for lower down in Jamaica. And, you know, people them just do the right thing, and the artists them just use them platform to do the right thing. Help spread positivity for the sake of Jamaica. We see Jamaica. We can't just focus on this dancehall and hype and everything and money and showing off on one another. But we could use the platform to do better stuff, better things. Use the platform to preach love and talk to the youth them, because as bad as some of the youth them are, you know, enough of the artists them are their influencers, you see me? When it comes to musical, you see me? Male, female, so if you can use the platform and talk to them, you feel like it could have worked. Don't just leave it on the police and say, oh, the police have not did their job and this and that, you see me? Everybody have a part to play in saving Jamaica. Even we, us the vloggers, you see me? We have the song them musically, the message them, but you know, we put them out, but them not get enough traction, you see me? But we have put it out the same way, but as I say, us vloggers have a vital part to play as well. The positive ones them, you know what I mean? Even every vloggers, you don't care if you work on that topic you cover or you see me? We have a platform to play, because we have a platform where we put out content. You see me? Yes, man. So more time you touch upon the bad things, them, you know, but me try to pacify, reason it out, make sense out of it. Sure, say, yo, a man could have act. Take the action different, you know. Approach a way different, you see me? Instead of just coming out shooting, bashing, lashing, you know. Big up Footer Hype too, you know, one of the real soldiers them too. Credit, you know, big up Footer Hype. You know what I mean? And all of the people them who say, yo, morals.
Let's go here.
You see me? Yeah, man.
Train.
Next thing my viewers and subscribers, say an accident go on, you see, Lord, them say nobody know. No one didn't succumb to the injuries or the crash. But me I tell you, say that crash with 2 truck down in the gully. You see me? Like them are speed driving, the driver them bus and the truck coaster them, the truck man them, van man them, the car man them, bike. Only for be cautious, man, and drive responsibly. Drink responsibly. Because other people's lives are in your hands. Whether you're a driver or a rider, you have to hope they ride good, because you cannot ride and not go on with some little foolishness, wheelie dally. And that causes other driver, road user, to lose control because of your antics. And then a whole massacre start. Especially on the highway. You see me I say? So I drive responsibly, man. You see my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Then on the Friday I give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's a blessed love, you know. Blessed love. Next, now my viewers and subscribers, Koffee. I see a picture with Koffee.
Alright.
Big up Koffee, but
Because when they come from the road, they can park up on the side road.
I don't know why Koffee put up that picture.
Just like this, in the old
Is she seeking attention, or she just trying to find a way to come out and make the people them, you know, see where she depend. Me and the man say she do remove her breast. I don't believe that. I don't think so. But she have her 6-pack. Sure say she's been in the gym. And she have the male figure, the male shape, not the male shape, you know. So me personally now have a problem with Koffee, you know. When I saw she born, it's not like she born like, you know, I saw she born because I have a niece who's like that. You see me, big up my niece, you see me? And enough man, me know youth, we born, boy, we born with girl. Muscular, what call it? Muscular and feminine behavior. From them a baby, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. You know? And vice versa, girl.
Or you can say you're the boss.
Born with male hormones and them act like a boy, you know? And as we say, we as a youth, when we are Jamaica, sometimes we're not open to certain things and exposed to certain things. When we go to the first world country, you know what I mean? We realize, you know, we start dealing with things different and approach situation different. You see me? Because right now in this time, equality, diversity, empathy, live and let others live. Judge it, not leave our judgment to God, you know what I mean? Yeah. And everyone has a chance to repent and sin and apologize and reform back themselves. That's why them say learn from your mistake. If you don't learn from your mistake, good luck unto you. You're going to keep on making mistakes, you see me?
We have to pay her and
So,
she has to pay.
with Koffee picture, I don't know.
No, you can do it yourself.
Because somebody said it to me, say the blast. Speak up yourself, blast. Hey, look out for a single from blast, you know. Now I vote again. Produced by Poor People Production. Roddy already up on the rhythm. Cloud 9 up on the rhythm. Mr. Pleasant up on the rhythm. And me, myself, is on the rhythm. Big boss rhythm, you see me? Yeah, I have 2 Rasta youth, Mighty Emmanuel and Lion Shiloh.
No.
Featuring Randy Valentine is on the rhythm also, is it? So they can look out for it. But let me know anything relating to Koffee. Is she seeking attention? Why she do that? Because she put it on her story and take it down, I think. And that's what the person told me, they screenshot it and send it to me. You see? So big up yourself, blast. Yeah, man. And my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and I want to love you now, right now. See the lovely hairdresser, the bad stylish, Melange hair shop. Yeah, you need a hair done, just come to the Melange hair shop. I want number again, Trish.
Oh, sorry, 732 There you go. That's enough. If you really want to
What's
come
the
inside.
shop number? What's the shop number?
No, if you really want to
No,
just
the door number.
come. Number 3.
Yeah, number 3, Peckham Lane. Let's come at Peckham Lane. Schumacher Grove.
No, this is Blenheim Girl.
Right, Blenheim Grove, yeah. Blenheim Grove right at the station. Can't miss it. Yeah, man, body stylist. So the lady over there, to the Empress in her purple. Yeah, man, mad. Don't know. Big up on yourself and stay safe and remember we're save Jamaica, see? So positivity, stop the crime, you okay. Roddy Harry, big up yourself. Big up Roddy Dutchess.
Yeah, my friend.
Alright, I'm out. Not another Roddy coming out.
I'm enjoying your hair, buddy.
And I need the Jaya here now.
In support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.